Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I didn't want this to be Valentine's Day. I really wanted this to be about gift giving. And sometimes there are not enough words to aptly convey how you're feeling. And sometimes you think, what could I give that person? So this is all about gifting flowers and how to take a dozen or so mixed roses and take it to the next level to be gifting. So I've gone through the range here at Prestige Botanicals. I've just got one, some of them are two ofs, and I've just put them all together. This is what I do. Get a bag. Now this had ribbons on it and I didn't like the ribbons, so I ditched the ribbons and put a little bit of organic duty rope on it because I wanted to just take it down a little bit of a level. Now I also have a vase which I'm going to put into there. So sometimes the other thing to remember too is if you're gifting flowers, they might not have a vase, so if you get the vase at the same time, you're pretty much ticking off all the boxes. Now I've got the very last of my classic Georgian Astar's Place wine, which I'm going to put into there because this is going to a very special friend of mine. And then it's just a matter of getting your roses and then just putting them into a bag, beautifully presented, a nice little surprise. You could put perfume in there, some lovely soaps, whatever you wanted, and there it is, ready to gift. Done! Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. See you again another day.